Hi everyone, I'm Yash Agarwal, Managing Director at 100acres.com. So today we are with Mr. Gaurav Jain, who is the business head at Aura World. So hi sir, how are you?
Very well. Thank you.
So sir, can you please tell us more about yourself, more about Aura World, how it started, how was it thought about?
Yeah, absolutely. So I'm Gaurav Jain. I'm business head at Aura World. I've started my real estate journey, I think 15 years ago in Mumbai. Then I started my journey in Gurgaon in 2015. Started with M3M. Uh, I sold almost inventory of 5,000 crore rupees in M3M. Did CRM, leasing, marketing, everything there. After that, last to last month, I moved to Aura World, heading everything, starting from cash flows, the marketing, sales, CRM, everything end to end. So at Aura World, we are not a new developer. We have a legacy of around 25 years. Our chairman, co-founder, Mr. Arup Roy Chaudhary, started this company in 2001. He was the chairman of NBCC. Post that, he was chairman of NTPC. So we have very good government licensing in terms of real estate. Then his son, Mr. Shamrup Chaudhary, was earlier CEO of Adani. He was instrumental in getting the entire airport, which was operational in Navi Mumbai. He has done that also. After that, he started his real estate venture by the name of True Habitat. Post that, we have a new company, Aura World. So we will be the first developer going to Dubai in next financial year. We are the first developer launching our first wellness project in the heart of Gurgaon in Sector 79. And we will be coming up with multiple projects in Gurgaon very, very soon.
So can you sir also tell us what is Aura World planning right now? What are the projects that we are planning?
So we have 4 projects right now. First is on the verge of delivery in Sector 79.
Okay.
That is, delivery is happening by June 2026. Second project we are launching also is in Sector 79.
Right.
That is the wellness project coming in the heart of Gurgaon near to Arablis.
Okay, sir.
And the ticket size will start from 2 CR. So buying a apartment in 2 CR in the heart of Gurgaon, I think is a dream for everyone.
It is.
Then we are coming to
Absolutely.
Sona Road. We are launching one of the best luxury commercial project in the heart of Sona Road in Sector 48. Post that, we will be live in Dubai by April 2026.
Great, sir. Looking forward to it. Also, sir, I want to know how important is it to have a strong channel partner for a strong developer like Aura World? How important is it?
So 100 acres, they have amazing team. They are doing amazing numbers with us right now. So they are instrumental in getting our sales drive. So thank you very much for your contribution, and we will have a long-term association with you.
My pleasure, sir. Also, sir, you know our founder, Mr. Rajesh Agarwal ji, both personally and professionally
Right.
since many years. I would say it's been almost a decade now.
Yeah, it's been.
So, one word that you would like to say about him?
Rajesh ji is I think he's very down to earth. That is his quality,
Right.
his kindness, his patience. So I think that keeps his team going, and I think he's selling property of every developer in the market. So
Right.
these are the key USPs of Rajesh sir, and I have been associated with him for the past 10 years. So thank you very much for the entire team of 100 acres.
It's a
to be
pleasure to have
associated
you
with
here,
us.
sir.
Thank
It's
you
our
very much.
pleasure,
Thank
sir.
you.
All right, sir. See you at the sales gallery now.
Thank you very much.
So this was it for today, and we were with Mr. Gaurav Jain, who's the business head at Aura World. For any real estate related queries or to know more about any real estate project, please contact us on the number flashing on your screen or visit on our website www.100acres.com. See you again.